Alright guys, so I'm going to install some outdoor light fixtures on my home, and I want to make a plaque, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Here are the light fixtures I'll be installing right here, and here's the plaque. I'll make my plaque with my router. I'll make sure my wires can come through, caulk seal everything, and that painted white, that way it can give you a better look, if you can see. I'll show you that right now. It comes with these brackets, okay, but if you can see in the back, it has a tab. I drilled out some holes, and these will land in there so they can screw in or out. This will basically lay flat like this, and it'll go screwed into here. Then your fixture has holes right there, and they'll go in line with that right here. It'll have a hole drilled out with this, and we'll drill out into it so your wires can come through, and so the light fixture can look a little more bulky and beefy than what it is. Okay, so I drilled out that hole. This will go in place. Screw it down. Just make sure the screws don't go past this board, because this will go screwed onto your wall after. Okay, so here's what you have on your light fixture, right? Once your wires are connected behind the board, you'll be able to pass them through and pop them back in place in there. Then this plaque will go up there. Later on, this siding won't be here, it'll be this siding. I went with that Hardy board, or whatever it is, it's fiber cement. And the reason why I went with the bigger 2x6s is because you can see how nicely, I'm sorry about my hand was burnt a while back. Anyways, you can see how nicely it sits flush to it, and you'll be able to get a nice good bead of caulk here to water seal everything. Well, here's what you get. A nice routed piece of wood. So now, boom, it just goes like that. I'm thinking this is gonna look real good. Also, another thing, you might want to use treated lumber, since it's better for the weather. The good thing about this system is if you had to turn it, you can just loosen these screws on the wall, take out the fixture, kind of fix it, put your fixture back on, check it, and it's fully adjustable with how they send it. So here's basically how it's gonna go. And man, it's gonna make this doorway entrance look real pretty. Some guy just decided to come over here. I don't even know who he is. He saw me cutting and he said if I can use it. Alright, so I'll just be painting it real quick. So we got it all painted, and here's the smaller ones that will go on the side of the house. I already had these. I had them in the front at the time. Then there's where your wiring will go, and you'll screw it to your wall, caulk everything. You're good to go. Here's the big ones right here. As you can see, same thing. And I'll show you when they're on the wall. Alright guys, so here's the way it looks at night, and that's the way it looks on the house with 4 lights. I'll show it in the daylight later. Okay guys, so here's the view in daylight, how it looks. Of course it'll have that different siding over this, the fiber cement planks. But I like the way they turned out. here's the other side. Okay, and here's what I mean by the siding hitting it. That's why I went with the 2x6. See, that siding hits flush right here once I put it over it, and you get a nice good caulk and seal. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment, and I'll be posting some more videos later on. Thank you guys.